guys, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back with another hair tutorial for Rylee. So this week she's starting off with freshly co-washed hair. I tried out some new products I bought from Target called So Cozy Kids. So as you can see, her hair is separated in two sections, one on each side, the left and the right. And then I start off on the right side and I part that section in two as well, and I will section off the top. Then I will proceed to section the bottom half into two again, and I'm going to part it kind of going slanted and braid down. So you'll see as the video goes on, she'll have a total of 8 braids all together when her hair is done. So we'll have 2 on the bottom section and then 2 toward the front on the right side, and the same 2 on the bottom and 2 toward the top of her head on the left side. So of course, I had to get her some snacks and her iPad to entertain her. But I'm gonna go ahead on and speed up the video. But just let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment sections, as well as let me know what products you guys use in your baby girl's hairs. Thank you.